Sacramento for the work, and the rest of it was done right here.
Imagine it's hard to find a place that could build a boiler like that.
There's one down in Carson, but he don't build them this big.
Really?
Down by LA, there's one, but
Wow.
he don't build nothing like this.
Wow.
Anyway, we put this in 2010 now, we put $1,600,000 in it. All donated money, no state money.
No kidding.
The Chevrolet place down here at the corner, they give a Corvette, the raffle, and everybody in the whole country was doing something. Clint Eastwood gave us 50 grand because he used it in 3 of his movies.
Oh, no kidding.
Yeah, and that's how we got the money. Now, this is probably on the state because this is a law you have to do. You can come over, you can see right through it and out the other end. There's no tubes in it. That's a big job, because they have 177 of them to put in there.
No kidding. Inside the
And
boiler.
then this old girl, you get a picture in on the turntable next year. And this will be a picture, believe me.
What?
Steam belching out all over the place. And,
Really?
yeah, it'll be going next year. Now, those are the old tubes they cut out. And the new ones are up there on the flat car. They have to be, you see how they have to be flanged? They
Yeah.
have to be flanged. They can't be welded
Oh.
because the fire and the heat of the fire would crack the weld. So
Oh.
they have to got a big like air hammer they flange them with.
Uh-huh.
They have to be flanged at each end. And they not supposed to leak because fire and water don't mix.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, no kidding.
Yeah. Then this here cab, it rolled over twice. It had a wooden cab. In 1898 and 1919, it rolled over.
Oh, no kidding.
In 1919, this is a 1919 cab.
Wow.
They want to put no more wood. This one crushed just like wood, but
Uh-huh.
nobody got hurt. It just bumped over on its side, hit a split in the rail.
Oh, yeah.
Anyway, next year for sure. Well, they say it's going to be going by November, but
Yeah.
I'm not sure.
Oh, yeah.
I think a lot of it's wishful thinking.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, that's a lot of work yet. Now they have, this is our boiler truck. They still use it today. If they need something made, because the blacksmith will come in and make it. Now I'm going to tell you a trick.
What's that?
Come over here, I want to tell you a trick that Hollywood used to play. That'll make weapons no matter what they use.
Yeah, yeah, no more.
Up here, you see up there on the wall that box of firewood?
Yes?
If they wanted that locomotive to be a wood burner, which it isn't, it burns oil, they bury the oil tank in firewood and put that phony smokestack on it.
Oh, yeah.
Make it look older and make you think it's burning wood. But
Oh, yeah.
it's not.
So, all right. So is that thing and that thing, is that a flue?
Yeah, they're just like the smokestack. They're
Yeah.
just, those are wood type smokestacks, and this is a coal one.
That's a coal one.
Now the oil ones on it are straight like they are today.
Oh, yeah.
They use that one was built for movies.
Oh, no kidding.
Yeah.
Wow.
So that's that. Now I'm going to show you an old boiler truck.
Okay.
The machine shop was built in 1900. Okay. We did not have any electricity. This is really a museum here in itself.
Yeah?
We had no electricity. We ran all this stuff with a water wheel, which was located out that back window.
Oh, no kidding.
It was built in 1900, and we didn't have electricity until 1912. Now, I know that water couldn't have run all these machines.
Right.
Probably one at a time.
Yeah.
When they put the three-phase electric in it, everything was humming,
Yeah.
But everything here, one shaft, one motor runs. Everything's belt driven.
No kidding.
Yeah. The motor was outside.
Wow.
And they hired young boys, this is for drugs, very sure-footed, and probably didn't go to school anyway.
Yeah, yeah.
And they walked those planks all day long. They had to keep those fittings full of grease.
Oh, no kidding.
Yeah, grease monkey, that's where the term came from.
No kidding.
A squirrel up there in the attic,
Uh-huh.
jumping around there and here all the time.
Hey, Walt, did you work at this railroad?
No, I've been hanging around here since the '60s.
Oh, no
Well,
kidding.
I've only been working here 7 years as a volunteer.
Is that right?
Yeah, you gotta read a lot of books and stuff,
Yeah?
you know. Now that's a planer, that big thing, planes the ties off. They all come in here rough.
Oh, they planed the ties with that?
Yeah,
Oh, no kidding.
this here is a lathe. Those guys did that by hand.
Oh,
They
Jesus.
set axle up and shave it down if they lock the brakes or something with flat spotted wheels, you know.
Yeah?
Let me get out of your way.
Oh, no, you're fine.
I can go up farther and get out of your way. That thing behind you is a wheel press. It presses the wheels onto the axle and then it weighs them to make sure they're equal.
Oh, no kidding.
This thing is a giant drill press or a boring machine, bores holes in wheels.
Oh, that's huge.
Yeah, isn't that huge? Man, this place was something. Imagine how noisy it was to get about 30 guys in here. Anyway, it's the way it was. They shut all this down like 40 years ago.
Yeah.
The building's held together with cables. They'd knock the building down if you fired it. They got a modern machine shop up there.
Oh, is that right?
Yeah.
Wow.
That little yellow thing. Isn't that something the way it was? Anyway, today, you push a key and a robot does all this stuff.
Oh, yeah, I know.
Yeah.
Different day,
Isn't
huh?
that something?
Yeah.
Well, you and I were around when they did it this way. No more now.
Wow. So that yellow job there is just like a little hand car?
You can go over there and pick up that left front wheel and throw it right off the track.
No kidding.
Yeah, you can pick it up if you want.
Oh, it's all right.
That thing's nothing but lightweight.
Really?
It's a track inspector like this all day long and pedals.
Well, he'd be